Hello my class 10 students. This is the MCQ sample paper 3 of ICSE Chemistry. Do go through this for your revision. Pause this video as you solve this MCQ paper, okay? To access this paper, click the link below and write how many marks you get. Write it in the description box, okay? That finishes the paper. I hope you get full marks in this. If you want to access this paper, click on the link below and you will have your own evaluation of this paper. In the meantime, stay safe, stay healthy, and all the best for your exams. Bye.